So this is a customer in Yarm, County Durham, who wanted us to have a look at his floor after he'd already hired a sanding machine and he was sick of the dust, sick of the hard work, and he just couldn't get the result that he was looking for. So as you can see, there's still quite a lot of old coating left on the floor. Those dark areas will affect the final finish, not only from a visual point of view, but also from protection. So he wanted a semi-gloss finish, and that's what we're going to give him. So yeah, so we brought our kit on site. This time we used obviously the DC70, the Barnard DC70, which is the dust extraction unit, which is on tool. We used the belt sander, and we also brought in the Barnard Flexi Sand as well as the Fest tools for the edges. So yeah, so on with the belt. Started off with a 40 grit, and this was to level the floor, and secondly remove all of the old coating to the best that we could. So yeah, worked along the north-south of the room first, and then the south-north, just to get off that old coating. So as you'd expect, we went through all of the correct sanding procedure. So worked on the more coarse grit before moving to the medium sanding, and then obviously the fine. So you can still see that I'm working on the belt sander to take off the old coating, which like I say, took a lot more work than I thought it would initially. This time we're onto the Barnard Flexi Sand. We're onto the Barnard Combi Flex. This is the edging. So I started off with a 40 and I worked our way. Now we've got the Barnard Flexi Sand. So we're on the Barnard Flexi Sand before finishing. And as I say, this is an Abortech product. It's a 2K and it's a semi-gloss finish. So the customer, I obviously showed them some samples and they really like this semi-gloss. And I can see why, to be honest. It had a really nice sheen to it and it really set off the room, brought out all the character in the oak, etc. And yeah, customer was over the moon. I love doing this job for them, and I wish them many happy years with their new floor. Anyone else who wants to get in touch, please drop me a line.